easel.
Alright, so I am really excited to do this tutorial with you. I think that you're going to love this. This is the first side-by-side that I've included in this growth hacking learning experience for you that's on a mobile device. That's because this stuff is getting really advanced and interesting and useful. So let's get started. So to do this with me, you're going to have the Google Analytics app. I'm going to be using the iOS version of the app. So what we're going to do to start is just navigate to the right property. So if we go here and click this button, then you're going to see that you have, all your different properties here. We're going to be looking at the Easel YouTube channel. So I'll go there. All right. So let's go right into the coolest, most interesting feature first. So we're going to go up to this little button in the upper right-hand corner, and we're going to ask the data set some questions. Which traffic source spends the most time on my site? And then there we go. We see that, for example, MailChimp users spend a lot of time on the site. LinkedIn users do. I'm not so sure if that Facebook business, maybe that's somebody from our team. But let's go and keep building your skills, and you can do this with me. If you follow along in the study guide, you can ask these questions. I encourage you to do it because I want you to build these skills. Show me the trend for new users this month. All right. What are my most popular pages? All right, so now this is kind of weird for a YouTube channel because, pages maybe aren't the most relevant way to analyze a YouTube channel. But I did want you to see that because if you are running a blog, an e-commerce site, if you have a website that's relatively deep, then I think that this is a really useful query. All right, now here's another really useful query. What pages have the highest exit rate? All right, so again, this is kind of weird for a YouTube channel, but I think that this is really neat, and this is really useful for people with, more traditional websites, because if you have a page with a really high exit rate, then that's probably an opportunity for some optimization. So let's get off of voice command here for a second, and let's go to do something a little bit more traditional. We're going to go here to the side menu, and then let's go down to goals. And you're going to see here that there are our goal completions. In this case, this is our people who have subscribed to the YouTube channel successfully. And what we're going to do here, I want to build your skills around, is actually using this date feature. So by clicking the dates, you can change stuff. You can change your frame, right? And so not only do I want you to get used to changing your frame, but also you're going to see here that if we go back and we do the compare to feature, then you can compare different dates. And the reason I think that's really important for you is that it enables you to compare behavior during certain campaigns and during your different experiments. So that can be really helpful, to just be like, hey, what was happening when we were doing this for the month versus when we were doing that for the month, which is what you as a growth hacker are learning how to do. So in the study guide, you can follow along with everything that we've just done here and find links to these apps. I hope that you'll get used to talking to your data sets because Google is rolling out some really neat features in this area through the spreadsheets team. And I think more and more, we're going to be doing a lot more voice interaction with our devices generally, and also with our data sets.